Use Western Union Online to send money. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. The first thing you want to do is go onto westernunion.com. Then from there, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and select register. After selecting register, from there you'll be prompted to sign up, and you can quickly do that using your email address and creating a password. And you're going to be sent a verification text if you choose to receive it via text, or you can choose to receive the verification code via email. Now, after you have verified your account, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on your dashboard, what I want you to do next is select Send Money from the top navigation bar. After you have tapped on Send Money, from there you will be redirected to this page, and you can choose the country that you would like to send it to. So you could type in the country in the search bar. After you have done that, you can enter the amount that you would like to send, and you're going to also see the amount that they will receive, as you can see right there. Now, by scrolling down, you can choose how you would like the person to receive the money, whether cash pickup, bank account, or the other options that are available in that country. Now, after selecting an option, you're going to scroll down and you can choose how you would like to pay, whether you like to pay via credit card, debit card, or bank account. And by the way, you can see the fee that will be charged. So for instance, if you were to choose debit card, you won't pay a fee. Bank, you won't pay a fee, but you can also see the processing time is between 0 to 6 days. Debit card, 0 to 2 days. With credit card, you'll pay a fee of $2.50, and it will be between 0 to 2 days. And you can also see Google Pay. Now, after you have selected an option, all you need to do now is tap on Continue at the bottom of the page. Then from there, you're going to be prompted to fill in some personal information. For instance, your name and address and so on. After you have filled out that information, from here you can fill out the receiver's name, first, middle name, last name, email address, and phone number. After doing that, you're going to scroll down and you can fill in the receiver's bank account information, since I chose it to send it via bank account. After you have done that, you're just going to tap on Continue, and from there you will be able to make the payment. So you'll be able to enter in the payment option that you would like to use to pay. Once you're finished doing that, you can review it, and then after doing that, you'll be given a receipt, and they will also be prompted, so they'll be able to go and pick up the money depending on the option that you have chosen. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.